my YouTube channel, and today we are at Lidcombe Hill and my husband and his friends are practicing cricket. And he has already played cricket and he's already sweating. So let's dive into the sneak peek to the videos they're playing cricket. Okay, let's start. So this is it for today, guys, and see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.